So today we're going to be doing some caulking around this door. We actually just installed a weather strip, so this is something that we can caulk specifically around these corners or whatever where we have gaps. Really good to use some caulk around there to make sure that no air is able to move through. A couple different methods. The first one is the most common, which is using a caulk gun with a big tube like this. For some of our smaller projects like this right here, we can also just use a tube like this. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to take off the cap, and I'm going to use a knife to cut the tip of this at an angle. I just cut this. You can use anything like a scissors like this, or any tool really, a knife, and you just want to cut it like an edge like this so you can push that caulk right into where you want it to go. So right here in the corner where we have that big gap, we're going to go up at the top like this and just push that caulk into that corner just like that. And then we can go all the way down the side of the door like this as well. Now, if you're thinking that doesn't look very good, we're going to use our finger to push that right into there and create a smooth edge just like you're used to seeing on any other job. Just like that.